Welcome back to the channel. We're doing my toenail press-ons because I quit UV light. I start with my stand to get everything separated. I'm not a person who knows how to do those 3 strokes, so it's going to be several strokes in here. But I did want to do a butter yellow toenail with like florals. This matched perfectly. Usually the color I want, I have to kind of mix it, but if you are a beginner, this is great because it does level. You can also hang it upside down if you need to. These stickers are perfect because I cannot draw to save my life. They're from Temu and I want it raised. I think they're called embossed. I forget. Correct me if I'm wrong. But all you do is peel it off and stick it on. And look how easy that is. So I did a cascading kind of floral arrangement. So I picked that one for the third one, but the great thing about this, it was see-through, so you can just lay it over the nail and see which one you want to pick. I did pick that one. Tip is fold the paper or whatever it is in half, and you'll be able to get the stickers off a lot easier, especially with tweezers. But then I had a space there and I didn't know what to do. Let me know what you would have picked. They had these petals, but I felt like that looked weird, so I picked a smaller flower, and that worked about perfectly. I usually kind of go overboard on my nails, but my toes I like to keep simple, so this was already a lot. So I left it alone. If you would have added something else, let me know. But the top coat is really where you have to kind of take your time because you need to get those edges that you can still see the plastic, but also not top coat the flowers because they need to stay raised. So I don't have a steady hand. I do use a smaller brush for the other areas. I don't have it in me. But if you do have it in you, you can always just use the brush that comes with the top coat. I had to use the little 4mm. I have a set of those from Temu as well. I absolutely love them. I'm going to get into nail art, just not right now. But I am going to be able to draw one day. But yeah, after that, I like my toenails crispy, so I do 90 seconds. You can do less, but I always do 90 seconds. And this is it. They're done. I didn't put anything on the other toes, but again, I like it simple and easy. You just glue it on, clip that piece off, and just file a little bit, and we're done. And my toes are done for like 2 weeks. Please like and subscribe. I would love your company. Bye.